Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel One Job Discovery. Today topic is 20 MCQ Indian Constitution question and answer. We are going to discuss in this video. Please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Question number 1. On which day the Constitution of India come into force? Option A 26 January 1950. B 15th August 1947. C 26 January 1952. D 16 August 1948. The correct answer is option A 26 January 1950. Question number 2. What is the normal term of the governor? Option A 4 years. B 5 years. C 6 years. D none of these. The correct answer is option B 5 years. Question number 3. What is the maximum age limit for the President of India? Option A 60 years. B 65 years. C 70 years. D no such limit. The correct answer is option D no such limit. Question number 4. What is the tenure of Lok Sabha? Option A 4 years. B 5 years. C 6 years. D 10 years. The correct answer is option B 5 years. Question number 5. The Planning Commission was set up in the year. Option A 1946. B 1947. C 1948. D 1950. The correct answer is option D 1950. Question number 6. In which year was the first general election held? Option A 1951. B 1952. C 1954. D 1947. The correct answer is option A 1951. Question number 7. First general election was started in 1951 and completed in. Option A 1951. B 1952. C 1953. D 1954. The correct answer is option B 1952. Question number 8. What is the duration of 0 hour in Lok Sabha? Option A 1 hour. B 2 hours. C 3 hours. D 30 minutes. The correct answer is option D 30 minutes. Question number 9. With which state Article 370 of the Constitution is associated? Option A Delhi. B Jammu and Kashmir. C Himachal Pradesh. D Assam. The correct answer is option B Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 10. Which emergency has never been operated in India? Option A National Emergency. B Constitutional Emergency. C Financial Emergency. D none of the above. The correct answer is option C Financial Emergency. Question number 11. The idea to have a constitution was given by. Option A Rajendra Prasad. B M.N. Roy. C Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. D Mahatma Gandhi. The correct answer is option B M.N. Roy. Question number 12. How many articles are present in the Constitution of India? Option A 395. B 420. C 448. D 550. The correct answer is option C 448. Question number 13. The concept of single citizenship has been adopted from the Constitution of. Option A Canada. B British. C France. D America. The correct answer is option B British. Question number 14. Who said that the preamble of an identity card of our Constitution? ऑप्शन ए के.एम. मुंशी, बी एन.ए. पालखीवाला, सी डी.डी. बसु, डी बी.आर. आंबेडकर. The correct answer is option B, N.A. Palkhiwala. Question number 15. The Indian Constitution has brought the idea of preamble from the Constitution of option A, Weimar Germany, B, USA, C, British, D, France. The correct answer is option A, Weimar Germany. Question number 16. It is a permanent body and is not subject to dissolution. Option A, Rajya Sabha, B, Lok Sabha, C, Supreme Court, D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, Rajya Sabha. Question number 17. Right to constitutional remedies is a option A, fundamental rights, B, legal right only, C, constitutional right only, D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, fundamental rights. Question number 18. Anti-sovereignty is abolished under which of the Constitution? Option A, Article 18, B, Article 19, C, Article 17, D, Article 14. The correct answer is option C, Article 17. Question number 19. Under which article of the Constitution are the cultural and educational rights granted? Option A, Article 20 and 21. B, Article 29 and 30. C, Article 41 and 42. D, Article 71 and 72. The correct answer is option B, Article 29 and 30. Question number 20. Who proposed the preamble before the drafting committee of the Constitution? Option A, Jawaharlal Nehru, B, B.R. Ambedkar, C, B.N. Rao, D, Mahatma Gandhi. The correct answer is option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. Question. Which of the following is not a part of Indian Constitution? Option A, Lok Sabha, B, Rajya Sabha, C, Making of Pakistan, D, President of India. If you know this answer and tell me comment section.